This year, bring your Easter eggs to life in a new and exciting way. Join us for a fun family project that transforms simple white eggs into an explosion of colors and patterns without the need for traditional dyes. Welcome back to Cooky Tunes. Today I've got a special Easter surprise. We're going to turn ordinary eggs into artistic pieces using only colored napkins. A perfect activity to involve the kids and create lasting memories. Let's go. Besides the napkins and eggs, we'll use the egg white as our glue. This technique is safe, simple, and eco-friendly. When choosing your napkins, think about the colors and patterns. Flowers, butterflies, or any Easter theme are perfect. And the best part? You can use napkins left over from other festivities. Make sure the eggs are boiled and cold. This helps the egg white adhere better to the shell. Each napkin has several layers. We only need the decorated part, so let's carefully separate it. You can tear or cut out the designs. If it's a butterfly, for example, think about how it will land on the egg. If you make a mistake or change your mind, it's easy to adjust. The egg white allows you to move the design before it dries. For the youngest, choose larger and simpler designs. This helps them succeed in their first decoupage project. After applying all the designs, let the eggs dry. You'll be surprised at how durable they become thanks to the glue of egg whites. If you liked it, tell us in the comments what you thought of this technique and the result. Give a like and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and creative projects. Share with friends and family, and let's spread the joy and creativity. Look what we created together. Unique Easter eggs that are as special as they are fun to make. I hope this activity brings a lot of joy to your Easter. Don't forget to share your creations with us through social media. Happy Easter, and see you next time.